For defects deeper than 0.08 inches, you will need to fill the chip in layers. First, fill the deepest part with a matching filling color. Hold the blue light unit 0.4 to 0.8 inches from the area and shine for 20 seconds. Fill the remaining area until just above the surrounding surface. Cover the filling with leveling tape and gently flatten it with your finger. Hold the blue light unit 0.4 to 0.8 inches from the area and shine for 40 seconds evenly on every part of the patch. Remove the leveling tape and level the area with 220 grit sandpaper. You can apply masking tape around it to avoid scratching the surface. Add a few drops of water and gently buff with wet 2500 grit sandpaper. The repair is now complete and the chip is gone. If you need an even more polished surface though, you can use the polishing wheel and mandrel. Set it to 3000 RPM, then polish the repaired area and any scratches on the surface.